So I love quick releases. Quick releases on cameras I think are fantastic, and I'm loving that more and more camera companies are putting these out and including them with their cameras, because it's just such an integral part, I think, is being able to get your camera on and off and switch it around as quickly as possible. The camera for me that kind of started that trend, of course, was this guy here, the Insta360 Ace Pro. This is the quick release that it comes with right here. Of course, you just kind of click the side buttons and it just pops off. It's got, you guys probably see it, it's got these like little hooks in it that just kind of click like this, and when you're ready, you just, it's got magnets, you line it up and make sure it clicks in there, and that's it. It's not going anywhere. I am traveling, and when you guys are seeing it, I may have already been traveling. I'm not really sure I'm going to release this video, but I wanted this quick release mount from Insta360, and it's their fancier one, I guess. It comes with like a 1/4 inch area, and I'm guessing that allows it to be able to mount, let's say, into an X3 or, well, basically any other camera, and kind of give you that quick release. Plus it comes with this better quick release that has a quarter, you guys can probably see it here, a tripod mount, I believe, on the bottom. There it is, hole on the bottom, so you can mount it to a tripod. Plus it has the GoPro mount. It kind of seems like a nice deal. Now, for me, my big thing was being able to, at this point in time, move this camera from a mount that I'm going to have on my chest, so sitting here, and instead of having to take all of it off, if I wanted to get it onto like a selfie stick, I wanted to be able to just be like, okay, and click and snap, and then take it off and click, get it back on, and super easy. This one came in at $55, and I knew that if I ordered from Insta360, it would probably take a week or so. And basically, when I thought about doing this, I didn't really have a week, so I went on Amazon and I saw this one by this company here, Fotoleey. Magnetic quick release mount adapter for Insta360 Ace Pro. You save yourself some money. It's $37. Now, the one thing I think I'm not too sure of, as you can see here, is it is designed for the Ace Pro and probably the Ace. And I don't think that it has that extra 1/4 inch thread part that goes into, let's say you have an X2 or an X3 or a GoPro or whatever it is. It doesn't have that. So you are definitely saving some money, but you aren't getting this piece right here. This guy, this, right? And this piece, I think this one here, that's important for some people. Now, not necessarily super important for me at this point, but I think I'll probably still look at that. This is, you guys see it? Look at this little box. It's just wee tiny, a wee tiny box, which makes sense. It's there's not much to it. We just open this, and I think the key, like, it seems, maybe you guys can see it, it seems very well made for sure. Like, it's nice metal. It's got nice big buttons on the side and everything for moving the actual prongs or whatever. It does have nice magnetic clip GoPro feet, which is good. And probably the most important part, I would think, is if it fits on here. So it's got good strong magnets again, and that, you just got to make sure you get that click right, and that's on there. And I do like the fact that if you want this to be 1/4 inch, now you can. Yes, see that? It's got a 1/4 inch thread in the bottom now, and does have the GoPro feet if you want the GoPro feet. And I think for me, this is going to be a great add-on. And if you want to save yourself a couple bucks, because maybe you only have this camera and you're like, I don't need it to go into any other cameras, then I think this is the way to go. If you want or think that you may want to be able to put this on a different camera, because you are going to want it to be able to go into the 1/4 inch tripod hole, then I would say you should buy this one. But for me, at this point in time, saving myself 15 bucks is saving myself 15 bucks, and I'm down. Plus, I want you guys to be able to see it. And then once this is done, you just, it works, right? It works. As of now, one review up there, one review and 5 stars. So I guess I'll agree because it works. All right, guys, this is the Fotoleey magnetic quick release mount adapter for Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace. Links down below if you're interested. Later.